Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to change location on your iPhone. First, navigate to the App Store on your iPhone. Here, tap on your Apple account shown in the top right corner. Next, tap on your Apple account name to reach the account settings. Then, find and select the country or region shown here. After that, change your region or country from the provided options. Now go back and open the Settings app on your iPhone. Following that, reach the General option and find Location and Region. Here, tap on it and go to the Region option. Next, you can choose your location from the provided options. In this way, you'll be able to change the location on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.